Understanding disrupting in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel where we help you understand the language better. Today, we're going to talk about a word that you might have heard quite a bit: disrupting. Whether in business, technology, or daily life, disrupting is a term that has important implications. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Disrupting comes from the root word disrupt, which means to cause disturbance or interruption to something that is going on. When something is disrupting, it is actively causing this disturbance. It could be a new technology that changes the way we work or a loud noise that interrupts a meeting. But disruption isn't always negative. Sometimes, disrupting can refer to bringing innovative changes that shake up the status quo for the better. Think of how smartphones have changed the way we communicate. They have disrupted traditional communication methods like letters and landline calls. Now, let's look at how to use disrupting in sentences. 1. The storm is disrupting power lines, which might lead to blackouts. 2. His new method of teaching is disrupting the old curriculum in a positive way. 3. Online streaming services are disrupting the traditional TV industry. As you can see, disrupting can be used in various contexts, ranging from physical interruptions to innovative transformations. It's important to not confuse disrupting with destructing. Although both can imply change, destructing means to completely destroy, while disrupting means to interrupt or change the usual way something is done. Here are some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand disrupting better. Synonyms: interrupting, upsetting, unsettling, revolutionizing. Antonyms: organizing, arranging, maintaining, preserving. Understanding these can help you grasp the full meaning of disrupting and use it accurately. I hope this video has been informative and has helped clear up what disrupting means and how you can use it. Remember, whether a disruption is good or bad depends on the context. So, next time you come across this word, you'll know exactly what it's referring to. Thank you for watching, and keep learning with us. See you in the next video.